I'm a super fan of Tata Safari since it was first showcased in India. Now, Tata Safari always had its road presence since then and was always attracted by people. I am one of them. And since the time I've heard Tata reviving Safari name tag, I'm the most excited person to get my hands off of my own Safari. I am so overwhelmed with all the Tata Safari personas on offer.
Hey Snehal, what's up? This is Yash here.
Hi.
So I know that you are pretty overwhelmed with all the personas. So let me help you out and let me actually show you the uniqueness that each of the persona has. Let's begin with the adventure, shall we?
Sure.
Now before we begin Snehal, let me talk a little bit more about the Tata Safari. It sits on the Omega Arc architecture derived from Land Rover's D8 platform and is powered by a 2-liter Cryotech turbocharged diesel engine that produces around 170 PS and 350 Nm of torque. Now, the Safari is quite a capable vehicle and it offers 3 driving modes: City, Sport and Eco, and more importantly 3 traction modes: Rough, Wet and Normal, for the times you really want to explore with the Tata Safari. While talking about the features of the Tata Safari, you must appreciate the fact that it comes with an 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment and more importantly a 9-speaker JBL system with a subwoofer and an amplifier. And the acoustics are designed by JBL itself. Another interesting feature that the Tata Safari offers is the fact that it offers ventilated seats for the front and rear passengers in all the personas that it offers. Let us now explore the personas of the Tata Safari. The Tata Safari Adventure persona is built to answer the call of the hills, the deserts, the rivers and the road not taken yet. From the distinct tropical mist color to the earthy brown interiors, the Adventure persona is inspired by the diverse flora as well as the vibrant landscapes of our country. Now, some distinctive features about the Adventure persona is the fact that it has an 18-inch charcoal grey machined alloys, a piano black grille, a piano black Safari mascot on the bonnet, piano black roof rails inserts and a charcoal grey skid plate. Moving over to the interiors, it has some signature elements such as a signature earthy brown Beneke Calico interiors and piano black interior pack, which certainly makes it look quite rugged and masculine. Keeping in tune with the adventure theme, let me show you the next persona, which is the Kaziranga edition. Tata Safari's Kaziranga edition is inspired by India's rich geography and biodiversity. This special edition pays homage to the great national parks and comes equipped with the top of the line features while reinforcing the Go Anywhere DNA of the Safari. I knew the Kaziranga edition would really capture your attention. Moreover, I observed a few quirky elements such as the satin black rhino mascot, the grassland beige paint with the black roof, the 18-inch diamond cut alloys and more, which really caught my attention. When you move to the interiors, what you get is an exquisite tropical wood finish dashboard, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, premium Beneke Calico leather dual tone earthy beige seats with a rhino mascot on the headrest, ventilated seats on the first and second row, again which are offered on some of the personas, a wireless charger, an air purifier, and the earthy beige and black interior scheme, which again is something that is offered on other personas as well. The Tata Safari accomplished persona is a potent combination of power and elegant sophistication. It has evolved to satisfy the new age SUV consumers who demand an arresting design, plush and comfortable interiors, unparalleled versatility, outstanding performance and connected car technology for a modern, multi-facilitated lifestyle. So I knew, Snehal, that the Kaziranga persona is something that you would really appeal to. But I want to show you the capabilities that this Safari actually has when somebody like you commutes every day, don't you?
Absolutely. It's more about like Now let's do the one-on-one commute experience.
Yeah, so
why not check out the capabilities again in this one?
And since the weather is going bad and looks like it's going to rain, why don't you want to go and have a nice cup of tea while I talk about the Safari more?
Well, I would love to.
So like I mentioned, due to its light steering wheel, the car feels extremely maneuverable and easy to drive. And more importantly, thanks to its nice and crisp rear camera, even parking this car in any of those tight spaces does not feel really hard. What do you say?
I completely agree with this.
So now that I've shown you all the capabilities of the Tata Safari, I know that you for one are not going to let go of the driving seat that easily. But there is one persona that will want to make you sit in the rear seat and actually enjoy the rear seat experience. Do you want to go for it?
Absolutely, why not?
Perfect. The Tata Safari Gold Edition is a vision of premiumness and opulence. With radiant hints of gold trims that redefine luxury, this special edition is equipped with top-of-the-line features that heighten the sense of comfort and indulgence. So Snehal, what are your thoughts on the Safari Gold Edition? Are you enjoying it?
Yash, actually speaking, I never expected to sit back being so comfortable than any other car. Tata Safari Gold really, it gives me the feeling of comfort, relax, and originally, like, I feel like I'm back in the luxury feel. Well done, Tata Safari Gold.
Now the Gold Edition certainly exudes luxury, and it is offered in a white and black gold option. It has 18-inch charcoal black alloy wheels, a panoramic sunroof, like I mentioned, on other variants as well is offered. Now when you move on to the interiors, that is where things are exudes luxury even more. You have an exquisite marble finished dashboard, diamond quilted genuine leather seats with gold embroidery, ventilated seats for the first and second row, an air purifier, a wireless charger, and a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay system. So is that basically you're saying that you're enjoying basking in the lap of luxury of the Tata Safari Gold, right? Okay. While we are talking about the Gold Edition of the Tata Safari, I must point out this one specific feature known as the Boss Mode, which simply means that the second row of passengers can get more legroom, and more importantly, the overall space that the Tata Safari offers for the second and third row of passengers is best in its class. Well, now that I've shown you the persona, there is one persona that I know that you would really like, because I know that you like the night and you like the sinister looking personality that the night offers. So why don't I show you the Tata Safari Dark Edition, or the Dark Persona, which is really something that would entice you.
Yeah, it's appealing. Why not? Let's check it out.
The Tata Safari Dark is designed for those who seek a bolder, sophisticated and a dynamic SUV. It exudes elegance with the distinct design elements and exclusive features, all finished in a nice dark edition, which certainly makes it look a lot more sinister and appeals to the youth as well. Now, here are some distinctive points about the dark edition, such as its powerful Obrion black color with a deep blue undertone, an invincible #dark badge, premium black embellishments such as a piano black grille, headlamp bezels and a roof rail, 18-inch blackstone alloys and a wide panoramic sunroof, like I mentioned, that is available on other personas as well. Moving on to the interiors, what you get is an all black blackstone interior theme, black chrome interior pack, blackstone matrix dashboard, Beneke Kelco blackstone leather upholstery, ventilated front and second row seats, an air purifier, and like I mentioned earlier, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, such as you get in the other variants as well.
Thank you, Yash, for showing around all the personas of the Safari.
Yeah.
I like the dark edition, but what stuck to my mind is the Kaziranga. It brings out the adventure in me, and also it just helps me to reclaim my life.
So as you guys saw, I helped Snehal pick his persona of the Safari. But let me know, what's your persona?